Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today we are going to talk about our April BoxyCharm box, which I have not opened yet. Have opened my Ipsy this month and have opened my Macy's. They were okay. They're always just okay. What I really wait for is for this one. So, yes. Let's open it up and see what we have. So we have our card, Peace, Love, and Boxy with like cactuses on it. So we'll leave that right there and we'll talk about the cost of everything. Well, here we go. So the first thing I have is a Starlooks Ultra Gem Long Wear Eye Pencil. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to actually put this in a giveaway. I have a lot of eye things in my drawer there, in my drawer here, like more than I will ever use. And if you guys watch me all the time, you know I don't use that much of it anyway. So the next thing I have is from Christopher Buckle. I have been interested in trying some of his stuff. I believe it's on HSN. This is a Cashmere Slip Long Wear Lipstick in the shade Bordeaux, which I think is going to be a dark color. So let's open up the package and see what we have in here. Oh, it's very, very classy looking lipstick, and that is the shade right there. So it's like a nude, cross between a nude and a pink, but it's interesting. Yeah, we're gonna try this later because I think I'm gonna like that a lot. Alright, so the next thing I see in my box is a set of 3 Luxie brushes with pink handles, which turn to like a yellow at the end. You see that? So we have a large shader brush, a small contouring brush, and a small shader. So I have so many brushes as well. I don't give them all love. I mean, even the ones I have on my desk don't get enough love, and then I have a whole pile up here. So I'm going to give these away in a giveaway. See how I've been loading up the giveaway stuff, right? Yeah, so we'll see where we go from there. Now, the next thing I have is the Artist Couture Glow Powder in Diamond Glow. This Diamond Glow Powder in Summer Haze is the name of the color. I do like these. These are loose highlighters. But for some reason I think I have this shade. I will double check and see if I have this shade right here. And if I do already have it, I will put this in the giveaway as well. The next thing in my box is a palette. It's a Pure Festival palette. It looks fabulous. Now, you know I'm not turning down a palette. Not until we're doing a palette declutter, because I do like to try some things. Pure has been hit or miss for me. There's one, like the Soiree Diaries. I really like that one. But others just, you know, like I said, it comes and goes. It just depends. But let's take a look at this and see. Ooh. Oh, so it has a little sample of their eyeshadow primer in there. Let's look and see if I will wear these colors. No. No. Okay, I would wear these colors, but I have this color palette and other palette, so I'm actually going to give this away. So I give away it. I put a lot of stuff in giveaways, but I can't with all of it. So I will check out that Artist Couture and see if I have that shade, and if not, this will go in the giveaway as well. So let's talk about what was in the box and what the cost was. Alright, so the first thing The Festival palette is retail price is $36. The Luxie Summer Haze, and actually, I think I'll put the Summer Haze. I'll make sure that that and the Pure are together. That is $28. The Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder is $27. The Christopher Buckle Lipstick is $18. And the Star Works is $19. So, quite a bit for the price we pay in our box this month. But let's take a little look at this. Let's try this Christopher Buckle real quick and see what I think. I have got crap all over the place. I don't understand how I do this. I don't understand it. I don't. Okay, Christopher Buckle, let's put you on. It's pretty much the shade of my lips, but it is very soft, comfortable. I do like it. I am going to keep it for moi. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, BoxyCharm is just knocking some things out of the park. They always do. They always make me happy every month. Even when I give things away to you guys, I'm happy that they're putting products in their boxes that are of value and not just like deluxe samples and all those other things that we often get in our other subscription boxes. So, yes, I would recommend BoxyCharm to anybody that's looking to do one of these subscriptions for makeup stuff, the monthly subscription. So, alright guys, I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Mwah.